First, take everything out and put perishables in a cooler. Toss any expired food. Clean the shelves. Make cleaning your drawers easy by lining them. Adjust your shelves to accommodate the foods you buy most often. For example, designate one shelf for eggs and yogurt. Put condiments together in a single bin to make it easier to get sandwiches made. Store items in the same place from week to week. Can and bottle dispensers save space and make it easy to grab drinks. Extend the life of produce with specialty containers and eliminate odors.